Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning. This is my group. My name is Nur Aini Najmiah binti Muhammad, and my members Nur Syahira Hamani binti Muhammad Farooq, Siti Aisyah binti Aziz, and Nur Farhani binti Harun. So for the question number 1, me and Farhani will explain the composition of the Board of Valuers, Appraisers, Estate Agent, and Property Managers member in relevance to Section 9 of Act 242.
Alright, there will be a board called the Board of Valuers, Appraiser, Estate Agent, and Property Managers. It will be a body corporate that has a common seal and can both sue and be sued. The board will be comprised of the following members who will be selected by the Minister. At the top here, we can see the Director General who serves as the board president and 6 registered valuers from the public service, 4 registered valuers with at least 6 years of professional experience as valuers, recommended by the Institution of Surveyors Malaysia or other professional organization recognized by the board. The president of the board will nominate 3 registered estate agents having a minimum of 6 years of experience in the estate agency business. And president of the board of directors nominates 3 registered valuers to serve on the board. And the president of the board nominated 3 registered property managers to serve on the board. Okay, next, 4 registered valuers nominated by the Institution of Surveyors Malaysia, 3 registered estate agents, 3 registered valuers nominated by the president of the board, and 3 registered property managers shall be citizens and practicing their profession in Malaysia. If 4 registered valuers nominated by the Institution of Surveyors Malaysia is not submitted within 3 months of the minister's written request, or if no professional group representing valuers exists, the minister may make the appointment referred to in that paragraph on the advice of the Director General.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Farhani, so I will continue about the composition of the board's member. First, the first appointees to the board, such appointees shall within 6 months of the board being first established be registered under the relevant provision of this Act as registered valuer. Second, the first appointees to the board refer to the 3 registered estate agents nominated by the president of the board with at least 6 years experience as estate agent. Such appointees shall within 6 months of the appointment be registered under the relevant provision of this Act as registered estate agent. Third, the members of the board appointed shall hold office for 3 years or for such shorter period as the minister may specify and shall be eligible for reappointment. Fourth, if any members of the board dies or resigns or has his appointment revoked, a new member shall as soon as practicable be appointed in his place, and the members of appointed shall hold office for the remainder of the term for which his predecessor was appointed. Last but not least, the first schedule shall have effect with respect to the board, and the minister may, by order published in the Gazette, amend the first schedule.
This is the background of our industry. Board of Valuers, Appraisers, Estate Agents, and Property Manager. This board have been set up in 1981 under the purview of the Ministry of Finance, Malaysia. The setup and operation of this board is governed by the provision of Valuers, Appraiser and Estate Agent Act 1981. The board function is to regulate the valuers, appraiser, estate agents, and property manager practicing in Malaysia. This is the current position of the members. Our presidents SR Azmi bin Abdul Latif, The register is Samari binti Abdul Rahman, and our members are Rosni Nawati binti Nga and SR Khalid bin Abdul Muttalib.
So next, as we can see, this is the composition of the board members. President is the Director General, DG of JBPH, who is appointed by the Ministry of Finance, and he must be a registered valuer. So DG shall be to carry out the duties conferred on him by this Act to collect and collate such information as the DG thinks necessary to assist officers and valuers in the making of valuations, and such information as he thinks necessary on all or any property related matters. So generally, it is to investigate and report to the minister on any matters he considered likely to improve valuation, estate agency, and other property services in Malaysia. So next is registrar. So the registrar is appointed by the board with the approval of the minister on such terms and conditions of service as it seems fit. So the registrar shall be under the general directions of the board and shall sign all authorities to practice and record all entries required to be entered in the register. So next, as we can see, the member is 6 registered valuers from public service, 4 registered valuers nominated by ISM, 3 registered estate agents nominated by the president of the board, 3 registered valuers nominated by the presidents of the board, and 3 registered property managers nominated by the president of the board. So basically, a board member must be responsible for attend and actively participate in all board meetings. And second is actively develop a strategic plan for the organizations and ensure its completions. Third is ensure there is open and transparent communication between the board, the community, and the stakeholders. A good relationship between them all is the key to success. Fourth is ensure they stay up to date on both the financial and legal affairs of the organization, as well as current or local affairs that may impact the organization. And last but not least is assess both the work of the organizations, the employees, and the board itself.